an iPhone which is up to date 15.2 that needs an update and you've been looking for a way to update it, this is just how to update your phone, to flash your phone, move files from the other phone to the system, and any of this you want to do. First of all, you have to download three U2s from Google that suits your phone. So I'll be opening my 3U2s now and we wait till it loads. So this is 3U2s. Please connect your device to PC using the cable. So I have plugged my cable to the system and I'm fixing it right now.
Don't plug me.
So this is my my phone. It's connected already. This is my display on the screen. This is how my phone looks like, and this is everything you need to know. So on this, with this app, you can actually back up and restore your files. You can make or add a ringing tone. You can as well stop your phone from bringing updates, from asking you to update your iOS software. You can also transfer data from here. As you can see on the screen, everything about my phone is here. So for you to upgrade your phone, you know as well, there is 16 points and mine is actually 15. Okay, mine is actually 14 points. So if you want to update your phone, you can also just update it. It's very simple. It takes nothing. You come to come here, firmware. Okay, I forgot to tell you something. Before you can update your phone, you need network. I mean, you need your system to be connected to a wireless network that is active. Mine is not connected, so I cannot update anything here. But this is just for lesson and reference purpose. So for you to be able to update anything on your phone, transfer data, transfer your files to the system, and any of this, you need to have an active network on your phone, and you hotspot it with the system. You know what that means, of course. So on this dashboard, I can as well reboot my phone. I can as well turn off the phone and do anything I want to with this app. You can use the app to flash your phone. You can use it to send anything. It's on the screen. You can use it to do anything you want to. This is smart flash. This is applications. I can as well move these applications or load applications from another phone or the system to this mobile phone, but there's no network as I stated earlier, so all this won't be possible. But I will try as much as I can to make this possible and visible in my next lessons. Please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.